You have to lift.
Okay, go for it.
All right. Now you get your picture.
You want us to hold your sunglasses? Yeah, if you drag it up on
Oh,
this.
no,
stand on it. No, no, no. You'll get hurt.
You just sit on it.
Sit on
You're
it.
gonna hurt yourself. Sit on it, we'll be happy.
Yes, we'll be happy to sit on it.
It's hard to sit on because it rolls away.
Man, Yeah, she's well, it's amazing.
Yay.
Wow, yeah, well done. That was very
Oh, yeah,
good.
we want to see the running on it now.
I'm gonna get my balance.
It's harder than it looks. You got to sit on it and it floats and it scoots off. Got it on the ground.
Fantastic. Yeah, good work. Three times lucky? I'm not sure I'd be pushing it that much
It
farther.
was pretty good. I'd say it counts.
One rotation, that's fun.
Yeah, you did. Actually, I thought it would be a lot more unstable.
Backwards.